Just left Trader Joe's, and there was a guy, one of the cashiers. I just asked him a random question like, "What's your favorite like non-alcoholic beverage, or what's the best one like that he's experienced coming through his register?" Right, basically, what's the most popular one? And he recommended a smoothie. It had a lot of sugar in it. He was aware of that. And there was another one that was a green smoothie with a ton of sugar. It was like 62 grams for like, I don't know, 12 ounces. Just way too high. I mean, all fruit sugar, natural, not no added sugar, but still a lot. So he found this other one, a turmeric, ginger, orange, which is a great combination. And we got to the register and he said something like, yeah, I have migraines. I forget why he said that, but he said, yeah, I get migraines. And I said, little tip, just add some salt to your drink. And I said, those drinks, at least the one that he grabbed, the turmeric orange, he grabbed that to drink later. And I said, something like that has got a lot of potassium in it and very little sodium. And I said, just match sodium from salt to whatever potassium is in the drink, and your migraines will be, I didn't say like gone, but definitely will be better. And so headaches tend to happen because of a low concentration of sodium in the blood. And this can be subclinical, meaning if you were to draw your blood right now, your blood sodium would stay in a very tight range, between like 135 to 145. It would be like basically right around 140. And so subclinically, if you're drawing low on that middle normal range, middle of norm range of 140, if you're low on that range, like, I don't know, closer to 135, it's basically saying that your body is struggling to maintain your sodium balance and pulling sodium and other minerals from your bones at the same time. I believe calcium gets pulled and magnesium gets stripped from your bones at that time to get enough sodium to keep that in a healthy range, because otherwise your body doesn't get sodium any other way other than you consuming it. So you literally deplete your bones by not getting enough sodium. And so his migraines are more than likely caused by him. He said, oh, I have high blood pressure. And basically I told him, I'm like, the potassium in the drink is going to help lower your blood pressure, and the sodium that you put into the drink, since it has enough potassium, you can actually match that. You wouldn't add extra salt to a drink that's got a bunch of sugar and no potassium. That'd be a bad idea. But the fact that the drink has a ton of potassium in it, you just match it, or become a little bit less, 1 part sodium to 2 parts potassium. So if it was 1,000 potassium on the bottle, you would say 1,000 milligrams. You would essentially add salt to equal 500 milligrams of sodium in the drink. Sometimes it'll be like only 50 milligrams of sodium or something. So you'd add a pinch or two of salt and you'd be gold. So so he can fix his migraines because it's the low sodium intake with the high fluid intake, that combination that dilutes the electrolyte sodium in your body that creates the migraines and the headaches. So he's basically raising his sodium intake and at the same time ingesting the drink that lowers his blood sugar. It's the potassium that helps lower the blood sugar. There's other things too, but really important lesson that I think we can all learn from that experience, especially if you have migraines regularly. Stop restricting salt. Save your Save your brain. Yeah. Stop suffering. Yeah, try it out. See how you feel. It's not going to harm you, especially because there's potassium there to bring your blood pressure down. So if you're afraid of your blood pressure going up, not going to happen. You have that buffer. All right. Till the next one, guys. Love you all. Bye for now.